Hi YouTube, and welcome to my channel to explain to you how you can make USB driver with Autodesk Inventor. Here it's the second episode about how you can make a USB driver. That's the circuit. As you can see here, we have some feature I will present to you. In the last episode, you thought extrusion, cut and add, and revolution. Okay. Now in this episode you will learn how we can add the plane and the regular pattern, how to add the mirror. That's for all. Let's start and start a new file here and go to standard, press create, start in the front plane and go to this plus, click my plane and go to here. I think now you are familiar with this sketch. Okay, go to rectangle, 2-point center and press in this center once. Okay, and move your mouse to this side. Now as you can see here, you notice we have two dimension, and the 15 here, it's highlighted. Okay, it's meaning you can put the dimension. For me, I will put 15. Then to go to the other dimension, as you can see here, we have 32.382. You have just used tab on your keyboard. Press tab and put 32. You can go to the first and to go to each other using tab on your keyboard. Okay, press enter to validate your dimensions and you have this rectangle. Press escape to leave this feature and go to 3D model, use extrude, and for this dimension put 1, then press OK. Go to here and choose shaded with edges. Let's go to the next feature. As I said, how to add planes. We have plane here in the 3D model. We have many features to add plane and to add axis or points. Okay, here we have many methods to add planes. For us, it's just simple. We will start with the offset from plane. Click once here and choose the plane surface like this one and put 1 millimeter. Then press OK. Now you can choose this plane and sketch on it. Press here and go to the same thing, the center rectangle, and start from this one and put the dimension. We have 8. Now I think you are familiar with this. Put 15 here and click OK. Now you can go to 3D model, extrude, notice that we have one body here. When I create this, we have two bodies. We have one here, because this body is not attached with this one. For the extrusion, put 1 and press OK. As you can see here, we have extrusion here. What's the meaning of we have two bodies? Okay. Now go to this one, and we will create the same thing. Go to this one, offset from plane. As you can see, I selected this. You can put -1 to reverse the direction. Okay, then press OK here, and if you want to hide this, just press the right button of your mouse and check off the visibility. Then now select this plane and go to create sketch. Then create this sketch. Start from a line. Start from this. It's the middle of this edge. Then here we have 0.8. Press enter. Then we have to make the a vertical edge with 1.2. Press enter, and return to this side with 0.8. Okay, and press escape to leave this feature. Here we use a fillet. I think I used this in the last episode. Put 0.3 and choose this and this one. Okay, close here. Then go to offset, select this one, and go to this side. You can put 0.3. The same thing in this side, 0.3. Then go to arc, go to tangent arc, start from this point and go to this point. Okay, if you can't see anything, you can use here wireframe or press F7. Okay, the same thing, we have arc here, press and click in this button and go to this point. Now we have just to select all of this and convert it to the construction geometry with this one. Okay, what do we have? This one have to be coincidence with this one. Press in this constraint, press in this point and click on this one. The same thing here, from this to this one. Okay, what's the problem with this? This point, it has to be in the same line. As you can see here, we have a vertical constraint. Select this and this one, and this point and this point. Okay, I think we have to add coincidence between this point and this point to have fully defined, because here one dimension needed, it's not fully constrained. Price here and here and here. As you can see, adding this constraint will over constrain the sketch. Okay, we have a message here controlled. When you will see this prompt, we have an error because we have many constraints. Okay, to deal with this, I will press cancel and I will make it I will use this vertical constraint between this and this one. Okay, now our sketch is okay. As you can see here, is fully constrained. Okay, then go to 3D model, extrude. As you can see in the profile, you can select this one and reverse the direction, then put here 0.3, then press OK. Now return to shaded with edges, select this one and go to regular pattern, press once, and for the direction select this direction, then put 40 here, 14 here, and 1 millimeter here. Then you can press OK. Now to make a mirror, you have to select this feature and press Ctrl in your keyboard and to add this. Then go to where is it, mirror, and for mirror plane press 1 here and go to origin and choose this plane, then press OK. Okay, the next feature is to add extrusion here. Select this face and go to create sketch, go to center rectangle again and start from the middle of this edge. It's here. Then we have 12 here, change the dimension to this one, put 4. Okay, then go to fillet, put here 0.3, add it between these. Okay, go to offset this with 0.3. okay, I go to 3D model, extrude, select this profile, then put 12, press OK. Now we have to have holes here, rectangles hole. Press 1 here, once here, and go to extrude sketch, return it like this one. You have to save your model, press Ctrl and S, or go to this one. Because we are in the sketch, I will add this sketch and we will save our our circuit. Okay, go to rectangle 2 points, start from here to here, and go to dimension, add these dimension. We have 2.5 here, here we have 2, from here we have 5mm, and from this side we have 2. We have to add the fillet with 0.3 and choose all of these corners. Add the center line here, convert it to create the same rectangle here. Okay, select 2 of all with highlighting this, click and drag your mouse and you have this selection. Go to mirror, select mirror line and select this, press apply, done. Okay, for the extrusion cut, choose the extrusion cut, press this and this, and here just to reverse that direction, and Autodesk Inventor, choose the cut feature, press OK. The next feature is to add ellipse here. Select this and go to sketch, return your model like this, and look for ellipse. Okay, it's here. For the to make an ellipse, press 1 here and 1 here, and make it like this one, and go to dimension. For the dimension, from here to here we have 3.45, and I will add a line here. Okay, and I will make it center line, and I will return to the dimension. Okay, from here to here we have 2.75. Then from this point to this one, press just here, it's not like a SolidWorks, press once here, go to dimension, press once here, and we have to add dimension in this side and in this side. Okay, let's start with this. We have 0.9. the same thing, I will put here 0.5. Okay, I will select all of this and I will go to mirror, select line mirror, apply, done. Okay, go to 3D model, extrude, select these and put here 0.1 and reverse the direction. Click OK. We will add the fillet. The fillet represent here 0.1 and select this edge and this one. Okay, we have to adjust to select, press OK. The next one is to return to the fillet, just 0.1 here and select all of these. As you can see here, and this one. Press OK. The next is to add the rectangle here. Okay, press select this face, go to sketch, and start with a rectangle with 2 points. Start from this point to this point. Okay, as you can see, that's our rectangle. You can press F7 to have this section cut. Okay, go to 3D model, extrude. Here in the distance, you can press here 2 and select this face. Okay, and to make it's not like in this body, go to here and press once to have another body. Okay, press OK, and you have here 2 bodies, one here and one here. Okay, the next is to add circuit here. As you can see here, we have 4 brass rectangles. Okay, go to your part. I have to save it. Go to save. For me, put circuit. For me, I will add 1 to make the difference between what I did. Okay, press save and go to this surface. Press F7 and add these rectangles. Add only 1 and add this dimension. We have 11 here and 1 millimeter here, and from this one to this side we have 1 millimeter. Add relation between this from here to here. It's coincident, and your sketch is fully constrained here. Then select all of this, go to pattern, rectangular, select the direction. I think you have to switch the direction or flip it. Put 4 here and put 3 here. To repeat it, press OK, and you have 4 of them. Go to 3D model, extrude, choose 4 of them, and put 0.1 and click OK. Here we arrived to validate this this part. You have just to save it, Control S to save, and let's add colors or material. Press here, go to paint. What we have in paint, I have anything, color default. We have anything here. Let's see in the plastic. Okay, let's choose the first one. Let's add this. You will find it in the plastic. Okay, then this one I will select this solid it's not okay. I will select only this, and I will add the smooth. I will select this. Because it's all these are selected, I will close this and I will repeat it. Go to colors and return to plastic, select this and this one, okay, this one, make them black, okay. Then let's select this one, it's a metallic part. I will select it, go to metal aluminum, let's choose this one, okay. And for this we will make them yellow. I will look for metal. We have a copper here. I will select these. We'll make them brass copper, okay. Then for these we will make we'll put let's look for silver. We'll make a silver, okay. We'll put silver. Where is it? It's this one and these and the mirror, okay. Put silver, press in this button and we'll finish our work. Let's close this and go to the view, activate the shadows, activate the reflection and put the perspective, activate the ground plane, and you have this this nice view, okay. If you have any question, don't hesitate to post it in the comment, and see you in the next tutorial to make the body, okay. If you like this tutorial, just leave a comment and like, or if you dislike, just press in the dislike button, and see you in next tutorial.